For these questions, we need to subtract fractions with the same denominator. So first, we have 6/7 minus 1/7. So, for 6/7, we can show a fraction bar with 6 out of 7 pieces shaded. And it's important to understand that each of these pieces is 1/7. We have 6 pieces, so we have 6/7 shaded. Now, to subtract 1/7, we can take one of these pieces, or 1/7, away, and that shows us that our answer is 5/7. So, to subtract fractions with the same denominator, we keep the denominator the same in our answer and just subtract the numerator. Now, we have 5/8, so we can show a fraction bar with 5 parts out of 8 shaded, and to subtract 4/8, we can take away 4 of those eighths, so take away 4 of those pieces. That leaves us with 1/8. Now we have 4/5 minus 2/5. So we start with 4/5, so 4 parts out of 5, and if we take away 2 of those fifths, that leaves us with 2/5 as our answer. Finally, we have 3/4, so that's 3 parts out of 4, and if we take 1/4, so 1 of those pieces away, that leaves us with 2/4. So the main thing to remember when we're subtracting fractions with the same denominator is that the denominator stays the same in our answer, and all we need to do is subtract the numerator.